Yo, what is going on? It is 5:26, Monday, March 9th. Today, no trades, and I want to talk about it real quick for a quick brief minute. I felt really unfocused today, man. I really did. That's why I didn't want to trade. I noticed that when I'm unfocused, I don't trade the best. There was opportunities presented, but since the start of, I don't know what, like, since the start of the session, I don't know what it was, but I couldn't find focus. I couldn't find peace within. I couldn't, like, lock in. Put it short. I just, I don't know what it was today. I genuinely couldn't find focus. I could not bring myself to focus. I had a lot going on at work. Right at market open, bro. I don't know what it was. Everybody decided to call the phone, come up to my desk, text him, talk to me, do this, do that, do that, do this. And I'm not gonna be disrespectful and be like, "Yo, get on my face right now," because I'm obviously at work. But even before that, bro, I just couldn't find myself to be 100% focused. And on days like that, granted, I can't, not a granted, I can't be having that, man. I have to always be ready, bro. Opportunities lie within the markets every single day, and I need to be ready to pounce on them, bro. This is the same shit that fucking happens over and over again, and it's why I'm here. It's why I'm stuck. And that's the honest truth. So, yeah, just today I couldn't find focus. I just couldn't find myself to focus, but I did the right thing today because if I can't find focus, I shouldn't be trading. And I didn't answer. That's fine, bro. That's fine. But this can't be a fucking thing that occurs, dude. And it starts from outside the charts, man. I noticed that I'm getting a little bit lazy here and there, like playing, like I don't know, bro. Yeah, I do know. That's what the problem is. The tendencies are happening from outside the charts and translating to inside of them, man. So this shit cannot continue to happen. But that's why I didn't trade today. Genuinely, there was two really good setups. I want to say two really good setups. Um, and I just failed, bro, because I couldn't find myself to focus, and that was from since 9:20. I couldn't find myself to focus, bro. I couldn't find it within me to focus today. I don't know, like yeah, that's just not happening no more. I realized it, man. Granted, today wasn't even like the worst day to miss out on. It was technically a no news Monday. This shit didn't pop up till 10 o'clock, and it was at 4:30 originally, red folder as well. Now it's switched to 5:30 orange folder. But coming into the day, I had a bullish bias. Why did I have that? NWOG. Yes, we had two great session lows, so of course, I'm going to be able to adapt to the market, but NWOG was still resting above. The full NWOG fill was still resting above, and we had some pretty clean bullish indication. We were disrespecting bearish PD arrays coming into market open. One thing I did fail to realize was the opening of this 4 hour at 10 a.m. As you can see, I don't even have it marked out. I usually have all of this shit marked out because this would have added confluence to a trade that I could have taken. Okay, so look. So boom, 9:30 rips up. Now pre-market wise, I want to start taking these low key. I knew this is the exact trade Ali took. I knew this shit was gonna play out. Like, bro, on everything I love, I knew this shit. I swear to you, on everything I fucking love, on LeBron's life, I knew this shit was gonna play out. I forward tested it. We then inverse the Judas swing, both fair value gaps of the Judas swing leg. This should have been an entry right here. Why I just wasn't focused, and then there's this fair value gap. I'm like, bro, I'm not even focused. This fair value gap's gonna get tagged into, and we're just gonna dump down, whatever. Pre-market equal lows resting below. What does this do? It fucking delivers. This would have been break even. Or another entry here could have been right here after retesting this internal 1 minute stops right here. Could have even taken it to just this internal low. Delivering one can't. Oh, sorry. Could have even taken it to just, obviously we're going to target the drawn liquidity. Go break even right here. Or if you still want to go break even soon, you go break even right here, you get break even, and then dumps the drawn liquidity. After that, we just start chopping, bro. Really shitty day after that. This, I know Will took this trade. I know a lot of people took this trade. I'm 100% certain. I know people took this 1 minute inverse off the Judas swing, and I know a lot of people took this trade. These were the two trades of the day. Why did I look at this trade? We inversed this whole downwards leg after tapping into the 1 hour. Why did I not really fuck with it that much? We opened up that 4 hour, but I didn't realize it. Now looking back, we opened up that 4 hour. And I don't know, bro. I'm telling you, I think this is a really good trade. I just was not focused. We were already delivering from this hourly. We had this external SMT with all of this down here. Look at the fucking displacement we get. We inverse the highest, most premium fair value gap of the leg to target this buy side, and we still have NWOG above as the strongest drawn one of the strongest drawn liquidities possible. This is a really good trade. I would rate this trade A. Like, this is like an A minus to A rated trade. This to me should have been an entry. This is an A rated trade. News. This was news. Where is it at? I can't. This was this news. It was like some weird manipulation news, because then what do? We start fucking flying. And then here's another entry. We're closed above this order block. Buy side liquidity above, NWAG above. Clear bullish order flow, delivering from an SMT outside of this 4 hour. Refusing to go down even more. What was bad about this trade? One, unfocused late in the session, 5 minute below. That's about it, bro. That's really about it. Good break even in this buy side liquidity right here, and walk above. So yeah, bro, just a really unfocused day out of me. I should have taken just this first entry. This first entry, 110% was the best entry that I could have gotten today. This just, to me, was just a beautiful entry. So yeah, this is definitely a trade I 100% should have taken. So yeah, just unfocused. And I promise, Nick, I'm making a promise to you, bro. This shit's never gonna happen again. I already lack the discipline to enter. I cannot lack the discipline to stay focused. We're not gonna build more bad habits, Nick. That's what we're not gonna do, bro. And I promise you, you're gonna look back on this and you're gonna realize everything turns out fine. So yeah, that's about all that I had for today. Peace, love, positivity. Make sure you guys take care.